Raise a glass to the amazing life Queen Elizabeth lived with her favorite cocktail. The Queen drank this cocktail most days before lunch. It's a mix of Dubonnet and Gin. The Queen liked her cocktail with 2 parts Dubonnet and 1 part gin. Her favorite gin was Gordon's London Dry. The Queen also had her own brand of gin, fittingly called Buckingham Palace. Slice a lemon like this and take half a lemon wheel. The tangy lemon complements the bitter gin and the sweet Dubonnet. Remove the seeds. Measure out the gin. Remember, the drink will be 1/3 gin and 2/3 Dubonnet. Pour into a wine glass or goblet. Both Gordon's and Pernod Ricard were awarded royal warrants by the Queen. Measure out the Dubonnet. Dubonnet is a French aperitif. It's made by Pernod Ricard. It's a blend of fortified wine infused with herbs, spices, peels, blackcurrant, and quinine. This cocktail is the perfect blend of sweet, acidic, and bitter. It was all the rage in Britain during the 20s, and the Queen Mum was a big fan of it. The Queen picked up her mum's love of this cocktail. Once you've added all the alcohol, put in the lemon slice. Be sure to put it in before the ice cubes. The Queen liked to have 2 square ice cubes. They needed to be large and perfectly square to keep the lemon submerged, and because they took longer to melt. Enjoy! It's sad to say goodbye, but we can celebrate the Queen's life and remember her with a toast.